Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to delete your email template in Ziprecruiter. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Ziprecruiter employer account, which of course I have done right here. And I'd like you to know that Ziprecruiter is a job site that aims to match businesses with the right people for their open roles. It's AI match and finds and reaches out to specific job candidates to apply for your open position as soon as it goes live. So now that we know a bit of what Ziprecruiter is about, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to delete your email template in Ziprecruiter. So from here, you're going to have to head over to the left corner of your screen where you have dashboard, jobs, candidates. Click on candidates and it's going to take you to the candidates window. Now, I will not be able to use this feature or explore the candidate feature because I'm using the free version of Ziprecruiter. But if you want to be able to do that, go ahead and click on Try Premium for free for you to access the features in the candidates window. But let's say you have subscribed. This is what is going to be shown. So click on candidates, and once you click on candidates, it's going to take you to the page where you have a list of all your candidates. All right. So on the left hand side of your candidates page, it does not matter which candidate, place a check mark in the select box in the white pop-up box. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is to place this check box. So you have to check any of the name on the left side corner, the left hand side of one of your candidates. Just select any candidate and check the box right beside it. Then place a check mark in the select box, which is here, and then you're going to find a white pop-out box. This is how the white pop-out box is going to be. It's going to contain a lot of tabs. So one of the tabs you're going to find is email candidates. So click on the email candidate option. And once you click on the email candidates option, you're going to find a list of all your templates. So these are your templates. So select the template that you want to delete, and after selecting the template that you want to delete, for example, here is test template. You're going to find this edit and delete hyperlinks. So click on delete, and once you click on delete, you'll be prompted with a confirmation. Confirm that you would like to delete the listed template by clicking OK. So it says this: are you sure you want to delete the test template? This cannot be undone. You see OK and you see cancel. So click on the cancel button, and once you click on the cancel button, that's it. Your email template will be deleted. I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.